Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a hot white Russian. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka. I'm using Grey Goose today, Kahlua, hot coffee, and cream. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding 1 ounce of vodka in a coffee mug. One and a half ounce of Kahlua, two ounces of cream, now I'm just gonna top it out with coffee. Now you can just top it out with whipped cream. I don't have it, so I'm gonna make it from scratch. It's about 4 ounces. A bar spoon of sugar. And half ounce of Kahlua. I'm gonna use the bowl from a protein shaker. Now if you don't have one of those, you can use the spring from a strainer. You just take it off and mix it with that. Alright, now we're gonna shake it. Now we're going to use the vodka spoon to layer this on top. And I'm just going to garnish it with some shaved chocolate. And that's how you make the hot white Russian. If you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers. Oh, that's good.